Hello guys, and welcome to today's video, where today I'm going to show you how you can add an arrow, let's say if you're working into Adobe Photoshop. So basically, let's suppose that we're going to have a new file, and these are going to be the dimensions. You can use them, or you can create them, let's say in those dimensions which you want. So let's just create something like this. And now basically, in order for you to have let's say an arrow, you're going to go in here, you're going to right click, and as you can see over here, you're going to have these options, which of course is going to be a line tool, polygon tool, ellipse tool, rounded rectangle tool, and rectangle tool. But in order for us to make let's say an arrow, we are going to go to custom shape tool. We click over here, and as we are going to see, we have different kind of shapes. Sorry, we have different kind of shapes in here. And of course, if you want, let's say you can press in here, and you can let's say browse more kind of, let's say shapes by, if you click load, but you need to download it from some kind of a website obviously. But the essentials are by itself. So basically, if we go over here, make sure that these are the colors. Black is the first color and the white the second one. And now if we go like this, you're going to be able to create sorry, this kind of arrow. And if you just click control transform it, you can transform it as ever you want, like this, as you want. It's not a problem. So this is a very useful step and easy step on how you can add arrows into Adobe Photoshop. So I really do hope that it's going to be helpful to you guys. See you on the next video. Thank you.